40 days of meditation program, if practiced regularly, is installing and rewiring our brain circuits significantly to make meditation a habit in our life. And meditation, contrary to the myth that it is only for those who have a lot of time at their hand, or is only for those who have serious challenges in life, contrary to that myth, dear friends, meditation is significantly helping to create an all-round transformation in the way we experience life. Meditation is the most simplest but most powerful process to train our mind, is the most powerful process to create a new mindset.
The wisdom that you learn from attending 40-day sessions is invaluable, and it motivates us. Giving this strength to live our life is incredible.
And I love the meditation because it doesn't prescribe you a whole lot of things. So you can anytime, anywhere, you can sit down and bring your attention to your breath, and which was wonderful for me.
Once I started doing meditation, my sleep pattern changed, and I have a lot of focus. I'm able to do a lot of things, and also I have increased my passion for reading.
I was able to actually manifest a new role with a promotion and a hike in the mid of COVID times. There were layoffs happening. There were no salary hikes. So the salary hike that I actually happened to get in was double the number that I would have ever got in the last 5 or 6 years. So this is something magical, and it happens in such a quick time.